In the 21st century, learning is no longer something we do once. It's something we do for life. Welcome to the age of lifelong learning. Today's world changes fast. Technology evolves, industries transform, and careers shift. To stay relevant, we must keep learning, not just occasionally, but continuously. That's where the concept of lifelong learning comes in. It's the practice of actively seeking knowledge, skills, and growth at every stage of life. Not because we have to, but because it's essential to thrive in a rapidly changing world. The 21st century learner is not defined by age or location. They're defined by mindset. They're curious, adaptable, and committed to growth. They're learning through online courses, podcasts, mentorship, microlearning, and experience. And they're not waiting for permission. They're self-directed, goal-oriented, and proactive. This shift changes how we design education. It means moving beyond traditional classrooms and static content. It means creating flexible, on-demand, personalized learning experiences. In this landscape, the role of educators is evolving too. We're no longer just instructors. We're guides, curators, and co-learners. We help people navigate complexity, build skills, and stay future-ready. Lifelong learning also reshapes how we think about success. It's not about having a degree, it's about having the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. It's about developing the resilience to grow in the face of uncertainty. Companies are recognizing this too. They're investing in upskilling, reskilling, and continuous development to keep their teams agile. In fact, the ability to learn is quickly becoming one of the most valuable skills in any profession. So what makes lifelong learning work? First, purpose. When learners connect learning to their goals, motivation follows. Second, access. Learning must be flexible and available across formats and devices. Third, community. Learning is stronger when it's social, shared, and collaborative. And fourth, support. Guidance, feedback, and encouragement sustain the journey. Lifelong learners aren't perfect. They're persistent. They make time to learn even when life is full. They ask better questions, embrace new challenges, and stay curious. As educators, our job is to build systems that support that kind of growth, to champion curiosity, to design learning that works not just today, but tomorrow and the day after that. Because in the 21st century, learning isn't a phase. It's a lifestyle. And those who embrace it won't just survive the future. They'll shape it.